Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a wing mirror on a Ford Fiesta. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a Torx bit set, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific Ford Fiesta model. Working in a well-lit area will ensure you can clearly see all the components and work safely. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior trim panel near the mirror using your trim removal tool. This will expose the mounting bolts and electrical connector. Carefully disconnect the electrical wiring harness by pressing the release tab. Then, use your Torx bit to unscrew the 3 mounting bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. Once these are out, the old mirror should come free. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new wing mirror with the mounting holes on the door frame. Insert and hand tighten the 3 mounting bolts first, then use your Torx bit to fully tighten them, ensuring a snug fit. Finally, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror, making sure it clicks securely into place. This ensures all electrical functions will work correctly. Before you finish, perform some final checks. Turn on your car and test all the mirror's functions, such as electric adjustment and heating, to ensure everything works perfectly. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the interior trim panel, making sure all clips engage properly. You've successfully replaced your Ford Fiesta's wing mirror. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.